Out doing a little family camping this Father's Day weekend, and no, I'm not walking. I'm one-wheeling, trying to at least. So obviously I don't have my Jeep here, and Mark and I are itching to get out and do a little exploring. There's not really much here. We're in Bucks County, real close to New Jersey. There's not a whole lot of public land or anything, but there's some state game lands, and there's a track that I had picked out from a couple years ago that a friend had sent me from this area, and we're actually super close to where it starts, and then the track goes right past where this campground is. So we're gonna go check some of that out. I think there's a little stream crossing mixed in here. Hopefully that still exists. Gonna see what we find, but staying by this cool little lake and having a blast out here. Some family time. Let's hop in the trucks. We're gonna roll heavy with our Cummins. Just turned on to our plotted route, and what's funny is I had actually kind of pictured this route whenever we did it, if we ever did it, as being something we would do with our trucks, just because it's mostly scenic roads like this and not any trail stuff that we'd get into anything hairy. So it kind of fell into our lap, so to speak, to be able to do it this weekend with our trucks, and here we are. On the creek crossing already. That's pretty cool. Nice little, pretty still creek, but worth a drone shot. So far we've crossed the same creek twice, well, maybe 3 times. I didn't pay attention to what the covered bridge that we did was, but that was gorgeous. And we just got on a paved road here with a handmade sign at the beginning that said rough road. So the pavement's a little rough, but I've been on worse highways so far. This really isn't terrible. It's a very narrow road, so I can see why they don't want people to go flying through here. But man, just so many gorgeous properties in this area, like real old farmhouses and mansions, big old barns. Really, really cool area. I keep seeing really old signs that say road closed to through traffic, and I'm calling their bluff. First of all, those signs make me always really curious, and second, I don't believe it. But I'm pretty sure we saw the other side of this same road, and yeah, I think there's a detour sign pointing the direction we want to go here, so we're in good shape. Not where we want to go, that's why the road's closed. And this driveway of a road is what we want to be on. We didn't do the entire track that I had planned, but that's fine. I think the rest of it goes around Lake Nakamixon, and pretty significant distance, but that was going to be all paved roads.
I'm here to ring some rocks.
This is one that I will share in the description below, so make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, that you like and share this video, so that you know, you can keep up with my adventures, and that you can also follow this track if you want to. Really gorgeous afternoon, evening drive. It would be gorgeous in the fall, and just a fun little sightseeing if it's hot out. Bring a suit. There was a really cool little spot on the creek where you could go for a dip if you wanted to. So, or if you're a fly fisherman, maybe bring your rods. I believe that would be permissible in the proper seasons. But thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one.